We need to trust each other.
Do not give your trust to a person who does not deserve it.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth.
What do you think of her?
I
think she has a good heart.
Invisibly, I climb the walls. No one sees me. No one but you.
I've noticed you staring at a good heart.
You've
no time for
always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
If it's future king who you desire, why do you deny yourself?
Set aside personal feelings for the good of your kingdom.
Love is the death of duty. Sometimes duty is the death of love.
What is your price?
Top her, and I'll kill you myself.
It is not the first time a man has mistreated me.
You didn't let those emotions cloud your judgment. You ruled with your head, like a strong king must.
I know. But I still love her. I'll protect you, I promise.
I shall fight. I must.
Do you have any faith in me at all?
You are the man I trust most.
I love you. It's true.
How do you want to be loved by me?
You're not like everyone else.
You've always loved the strange bird. I want to fly into
And your family hasn't seen it, so you're still
I
here.
want to be